For you to get here, dear, sunlife.com.ph lang. And then go to investments and then go to this one, NAVs or NAVPU. It means net asset value per share or per unit, but in layman's term, ibig sabihin lang yan presyo ng shares. So ang sinasabi ko sa iyo kanina is itong World Equity Index Feeder Fund or WEIF fund. So ang presyo niya is 1 peso 6967 centavos currently. It changes every business days. So year to date niya is 15.5239%, and then year over year niya, ibig sabihin no, yung kung baga anniversary o yung growth niya from last year na business day until today's business day is 21.5575%. So to know more information, just open the fund fact sheet. And then saan ba siya naka-invest here? So ito siya. So Microsoft, alam mo na yan, Apple, Nvidia, so mga technology company. This is one of the biggest companies in the whole wide world here. Amazon, yung public. Amazon.com, alam mo yung Alphabet, ito ay parent company yan ng Google, Meta, alam mo na yan, Alphabet, alam mo, Eli Lilly and Company. So it's a pharmaceutical company yan, Taiwan Semiconductor, ito Broadcom, semiconductor din. So how was the months? So it started nung 2020. So ito siya. Ayan. Mataas, mababa, mataas, mababa. So approximately nasa 10% siya nag-average. Pero bata pa kasi yung fund. 4 years pa lang. Tama ba? Magpo 4 years pa lang siya this July or next month. So, ganun siya. Pero maganda kasi yung mga pinag-invest na company. But then again, wala namang guarantee talaga sa business. So, just use this as diversification and just to set up your expectation, this is an aggressive risk profile. So, kailangan talaga long-term ka, and then if you're gonna invest, dapat monthly. Mababa, bili ka, mataas, bumili ka. Para at least, nag-average kasi sometimes ang common fault ng mga tao, halimbawa pag mababa, that's the time na hindi talaga sila bumibili. Pag mataas, doon naman sila nag-invest. So, yun.